children, welcome back to the next session. In previous class we have learned how to compare the numbers. So these are the symbols we have learned. Okay, let us recall this again. What is this symbol, children? This is, yes, it is greater than symbol. It is greater than symbol. And this one is, obviously it is less than symbol. Very good. It is less than symbol, and this represents, yes, it is equal to. Now let us see some examples. Okay, I have given 624 and 625. Now I have to find which is greater and which is smaller. How we will have to check? First we have to check the highest place values. Okay. Now here in hundreds place both the numbers are 6. Okay. Okay, both the numbers are 6. Next what we have to do? Yes, we have to compare the second highest place value, which is tens place. The numbers in tens place are, both the numbers are 2 only. How we have to find again? Next you have to compare ones places. Now here 4 and 5 we have. Which is smaller, 4 or 5? 4 is smaller. Here first number we have bigger number or smaller number, children? Here 4 when we compared ones place, both the here hundreds and tens are same, and then we have compared ones places. Here 4 is smaller than 5. The first number, the whole 624 will become smaller number. So what will be the symbol we have to write here? First number we have smaller one, so we have to use less than symbol. Open end towards bigger number, close end towards smaller number, gives you less than symbol here. Okay. Now here I have one digit. 3 is a one digit number and 91 is a two digit number. Okay. Here directly we can say 3 is smaller than 91. How? Because 3 is a one digit number, 91 is a two digit number. Here symbol will be, yes, I already told you, open end we have to put towards two digit number and close end towards smaller number. Okay. Now here what will be the statement? Can you say that? Yes, first number is a smaller one. So the statement will become 3 is less than 91. You have to mention the symbol which you have taken here. Okay. 3 is less than 91. Here I have 17 on my left side and 1 on the right side. Here you have to observe how many digits it has in a number. Here in 17 how many digits we have? 2 digits. In 1 it is a one digit number. So how we will say which is greater and which is smaller? By seeing the digits. Here 2 digits we have, so 17 is greater than 1. 17 is greater than 1. Here which symbol we have to use? The number on the left side is bigger number, so we have to use greater than symbol. If I put to open end towards bigger number and close end towards smaller number, here I got greater than symbol. Sometimes you will be getting some doubts how to mention this one and this one. Okay, you will get confused. So that is the reason I have told you, open end always towards greater number. Here also see, here I have 625 as a greater number, so I have given open end towards bigger number. Here also see, 3 is a smaller, 91 is a bigger one. Open end is towards bigger one. Here also open end is towards bigger one. This is how you have to give a symbols to the given numbers. Now let us see how to order numbers. Ordering numbers means here you will be getting 2 topics. Okay, 2 topics, which is increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order also called as ascending order, which is ascending order. And descending order also have another name. What is decreasing order is called descending order. Decreasing order is also called as descending order. Now what is increasing order and decreasing order? Now let us see increasing order first. Okay. Now in increasing order we will write numbers from smallest to biggest. Now let me tell you one example with the picture. Here I am going to take okay, here there is a grapes. I am taking grapes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here I am taking 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. How many grapes are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next one I am going to take a bigger one here. Okay, I am going to take bigger one here. As you can see, number of grapes are increased here. See, here how many we have? 4, 3, yes, we have 10. Here how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 we have. Okay, here again the number will increase. Here for suppose I have 20. Okay, what are you observing here? Here we have 10. Here we have 19. Here we have 20. The number is increasing from smallest to biggest. Numbers we write from smallest to greatest is called increasing order. Okay, let me tell you one more example here. For suppose in your class you will be getting ranks. Okay, you will get ranks. Teacher, I got first rank, second rank, third rank. Here what is happening? If you take only 1, 2, 3, as suppose if you take roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you will be having a roll numbers. Okay, the number is increasing or decreasing? Here 2 is increased by 1. Here 3 is increased by 1 with the 2. Okay, then here the numbers are increasing. Here if you compare 3 with the 4, 3 is smaller than 4. Here if you compare 2, 3 is smaller, 2 is smaller than 3. 1 is smaller than 2. The number from smallest to biggest, it is increased. Okay. Now let us see the example with the steps. Okay. Here you will have steps in your home. Okay. I consider these are my steps at home. Okay. Here step number 1. Okay. Step number 1. Step number 2, 3, 4. As you can see here, the height of the step is increasing, right? From smallest to biggest. Here the steps, height of the steps is increasing. In the same way, if I take steps like this, okay, here now 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower one I have given 1 as a step 1. Okay, here also I am taking step 1 as a smaller one only. See, here the order. If you see the order like this, okay, from upward to downward direction, steps are decreasing its height. Okay, from 4 to 1, the height of the steps is decreasing. Here height of the steps is towards upwards, it is increasing. If you take if you see the example of this towards downwards, it is decreasing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? The same way we will write numbers also. For one digit means you will compare like this. Okay, as I told you how to compare biggest and smallest numbers in the previous one, which is comparing numbers. Okay, now if I give 634, 24 and 16, here I want to take 9. Here I have 634, 24, 16 and 9. I want to write in increasing order. What is increasing order? Writing numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay. Now let us compare the numbers first. Which one is the smallest one among these 4 numbers? Okay. You need to check. First 1 digits you check. Because you have 4 numbers now. You just first check whether there is a 1 digit. Because if number of digits are increasing, that will become greatest numbers. Okay. First smallest number is 1 digit number, which is 9. So write 9 here. 1 digit number is finished. Next, check whether you have 2 digit or not. Okay. Yes, we have 2 digits numbers. 2 numbers we have of 2 digits. 24 and 16. I have told you if both the numbers are having 2 same digits in its number, you have to compare the highest place value of that number. Here, highest place value of the number is tens. Compare the numbers. 2, the digits, you have to compare 2 and 1. Which is smallest among these 2? 1. 1 is the smallest one. So obviously 16 will be smaller than 24. The next number we have to take is 16. Okay. Now from these 2 digits, 2 numbers, 2 digit numbers, we have left only with 1 number here, which is 2 digit. And the next number is 3 digit. Obviously 2 digit is smaller than 3 digit. So next number we have to take is 24. Then which one is left? 634. See, 1 digit, 2 digit with the smallest place value and 3 digit. The number is increasing, children, here. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Okay, the number is increasing from smallest numbers to greatest number. Let us see how to write decreasing order, which is also known as descending order. What is another name for decreasing order? Descending order. Descending order or decreasing order. What is the definition for descending and decreasing order? As you have seen, for increasing order from smallest to greatest numbers we will write. Okay. I have shown you one example also for decreasing order. How we have written for increasing from downwards to upwards we have taken. Now from in decreasing order we have to take numbers from top to bottom. Okay. Now here see the same example. The number is, the height of the step is decreasing from top to bottom. This is decreasing order. 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. What is happening here? One number it is less than the previous number. So here let us see example with the number as well. Here in the same way I am taking 124. I will take 3 digits only this time. Okay. Let us see how we have to find that. 234, 655, 816. Okay. These are the phone numbers I have taken. As you can see here, all are 3 digits. Okay, I have told you how to compare the numbers. Okay, now highest place value of a number you have to check. Just see hundreds. Compare all the hundreds now here, which is 1, 2, 6, 8. These are the digits we have in a highest place value. 1, 2, 6, 8. Which is the smallest among these four? Yes, it is 1. 1 is the smallest one. Do we have to take smallest one? Here, decreasing order, it is greatest to smallest. I have told you it is the numbers we have to write from greatest to smallest. Do we have to start from lowest number? You can see the definition there. Greatest to smallest. First we have to consider greatest number. Here 8 is a greater than. Okay, greater number. So obviously 816, the whole number will become greater number. So take 816 first. Okay. In the hundreds place, all the digits are different only. So no need to confuse. Just check the digits which is highest and lowest. Next 8 is finished. Now compare 1 to 6. Which is a bigger one? 6. So in the hundreds place we have 6 as a greater number. So 655 will become greatest one. 655. Among these numbers, children, not all the numbers. If you compare these three, this 655 is a greatest one. Next, 655 is also finished. 6 is also finished. Now let us compare 1 and 2, which is 124 and 234. Now which one is greater than 1 or 2? This? Yes, 2. Now the whole 234 will become greatest one. The left one is 124. As you can see, numbers are decreasing from greatest number to smallest number. See, whenever you write numbers from greatest to smallest, it is decreasing order. Okay. Now first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, like that. Okay. This is first rank will be first one always in your according to the ranks. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. It is decreasing. Okay. Now here also numbers are decreasing. So from greatest to this 8 is the greatest one, 6 is the smaller than 8, 2 is smaller than 6, 1 is smaller than 2. It is decreasing. Okay. Now I hope you will take some more example with your own questions. In the next section, again let us recall the concept and we'll have a questions. Okay. Thank you.